Alright, good day folks. I'm here to bring you a very important update on Cardano. We are on the verge of making a large move with Cardano. We are in an extremely critical zone right now. So folks, in this video, I'm going to run through some technical analysis, talk about what I see happening with this thing, both short-term and long-term. So if you like the sound of that, I need you to do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon notified of new uploads. So folks, lots of interesting stuff going on in the market recently. We're forming this wedge. We broke out bullishly. The market had a flash crash. We broke down, fell within the wedge, even fell below the wedge, and now we're back within, in the middle, in the apex, soon to make a decision as to what direction Cardano will trend in over the near term here. So let's begin by describing a bit of what's going on here. So we actually have several support levels right below us here at about, I'd say, $1.21 to about $1.24. Lots of different support levels. We can draw a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom, this top. We have the 618 Fibonacci retracement right below us acting as support. We also have the 200 EMA on the 6 hour right below us acting as support as well. If we zoom in here to about $1.21, we can see that this is the VPVR point of control. This is where the most volume is traded. So we have a lot of support levels, a lot of cluster of support right below us from about $1.21 to about $1.24. If Cardano can maintain above that, that is a very good sign. As long as we can hold this region where we have a lot of clusters of support, a lot of sideways price action, very historically price reactive zone, I think we have a very good chance of retesting some of these upper extremities, the upper extremities of this wedge, and perhaps around $1.33, $1.34. Let's say we break down, which we could, because if we take a look here at our indicators, we're starting to see really a lot of bearishness everywhere we look. Let's begin by looking at the daily. Daily, everything is quite overextended. Look at this histogram on the daily is starting to tick down. Weighted MACD starting to curve a bit. Stochastic RSI, great for understanding or timing shifts and trends, has had a bearish crossover in the overbought territory, and the RSI is very much overbought, making lower highs and lower lows in the very micro short term. So we're starting to see that weakness really start to manifest on the higher time frames. Even the 6 hour here, histogram's moving down, although weighted MACD is moving up, so not a strong confluence of reasons. Stochastic RSI bearish crossover, and regular RSI oversold, making lower highs and lower lows. So overall, majority of our indicators are trending bearishly. So if we take a look at the 4 hour bearish as well. But if we take a look at some of the lower time frames, we see a bit of strength starting to build up here. We see the half hour starting to look a bit stronger here. Histogram taking up, RSI somewhat in the neutral zone, and weighted MACD on the way up here. So ultimately, we just need to see if we can maintain above this key range that I've described to you guys. We have a fib level right there. We have that 200 EMA on the 6 hour right here. And we have all this peak in volume and historical price action right here. So if that doesn't hold, I think we're at the very least probably going to retest about $1.15 to about $1.11 here. There was a nice peak in volume here, as well as a historically price reactive zone. And whatever way we definitively break out of this wedge would be very telling for future price action. So if we can get above, I think Cardano could really fly. If we start to break below these regions, it makes it far more likely that what we're looking at is actually more of a macro descending triangle, where we can trend still sideways within this pattern formation for quite a while longer. So whatever way we break out of this thing, we're definitely going to be talking about it on this channel. So folks, make sure you stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon notified of new uploads. As well, following the Cardano Bitcoin pairing will be very important for timing and understanding what direction we will be breaking out of this wedge, what way we'll move out of this apex. If the Cardano Bitcoin pairing starts to make moves to the upside, if we can flip this resistance level here at kind of like the 223 from resistance into support, that would be a good sign that Cardano could see bullish continuation. If we continue to trend bearishly and start to break below these key support levels, then that will be an indication that the Cardano Bitcoin pairing is likely to break down bearishly. Now, over the long term, I like Cardano. I own some Cardano. I'm bullish on it long term. I like to say I can see it going from $5 to $10 over long term, although I don't know that for sure. I'm more so selling based off time frames and not so much specific price targets. Come September, October, November, late third quarter, early fourth quarter is when I'm skilling out of my long term position. So, folks, If you guys want to stay up to date with time-sensitive technical analysis, stay tuned to this channel. But as well, join our Discord. Link for that is down in the description below. We talk crypto all the time. We talk to our members regularly. As well, if you want to support us and get access to ourselves even more, join our VIP Discord group. You get access through our Patreon. Link for everything is down in the description below. We talk about low cap gems, very interesting setups, very helpful resources. And again, we talk more one-on-one with our VIP Discord members. So folks, that's enough for me. Really, I just want to let you guys know we're sitting on this bed of support. We're in this apex. We will soon have a breakout. These are the support short-term price targets that we're looking out for. And if we start to break out, if we start to form a new pattern, we're going to be definitely talking about we're going to be definitely talking about this on this channel. But really, just the fact that we're right up against all this cluster of support, this could be the bottom. As long as we hold this, then this has to hold. If we start making new lows, if we drop below $1.20, that's it. We could definitely downtrend further, and we could definitely correct further. But as long as we remain above that, the worst may be behind us. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Take care.